We all have many issues in our branch. One of them is deceased payment. How many deceased payments are pending at your branch? What are the reasons of the pendency? How many times you have called the customer for submission of papers? If you want reply to all the above questions, you need to see this video till the end. I am Suman, your companion for this video tutorial. I am going to give you an insider's view of all 4 dimensions related to deceased payment. The first and the foremost in deceased payment is how we receive the information of death. Verbal and written information will be accepted. We will confirm the authenticity of the information received from newspaper, TVH. The most authentic document is death certificate. Now the death can be of 2 types: natural death and legal death. What do we understand by legal death? When a person is not traceable for more than 7 years, it is called legal death. If a person died, he might have left a will, testate, or without will and testate. We have different type of accounts and every account has to be treated differently. Joint account with survivorship clause, it will be payable to survivor. Joint account without survivorship clause, it will be payable to survivors and legal heirs jointly. Sole name with nomination payable to nominee on identification. Sole name without nomination payable to legal heirs without legal representation. When a person dies, his or her assets are payable on his or her legal heirs as per the law applicable to the religion of the person. Primary heirs are entitled to share equally without any preference. According to Hindu Succession Act, 1956, which is applicable to all Hindus, which expression includes followers of Jainism, Buddhism, and Sikhism, the primary heirs of Hindu male dying intestate are wife, son, daughter, mother, wife of a predeceased son, children of predeceased son, daughter. The primary heirs of Muslim male dying intestate are wife, wives, sons, daughters, mother, father. The rules governing Muslim law provide that the heirs are entitled for specific shares. This varies according to the surviving heirs of the deceased, taking into consideration the shares which each of the heirs will be entitled. Therefore, claim may be settled by taking disclaimer if there is no dispute among them. Nomination facility is available for deposit accounts, safe deposit locker and articles in safe custody only. Nomination can be made in individual capacity and not in representative capacity. The nominee can apply to the bank in the prescribed format for claiming assets of the deceased.